I got the shine job all mocked up. This is how it's gonna look when it's done. Chances are I'll take it all apart and reassemble it. I'll go through everything. It needs oil lines, wiring, a few small things to really be ready to run. But the motor's running, the transmission's rebuilt. This thing's ready for the track. All right, I'm ready to start assembling the shine job. It's a 1937 Harley-Davidson 45-inch Sons of Speed Flathead racer. Got the frame here. We put an engine and transmission in it, get the front forks and the wheels on it, gas tanks and fender. It'll start looking like a real motorcycle. I'm using a super light Harley-Davidson pea shooter fork. This is from the bikes from the mid-20s and early 1930s. It's a lot lighter than the fork that should go on this, which is great for racing. So these rear fenders I use is off of a Harley Hummer. It's super light duty. You can't sit anybody on it. It won't hold up anybody's weight. All it really does is keep oil and dirt out of your ass crack. But you know, it protects you from the rotating tire behind you as you're racing. But really great look. You'll see once I get the wheel on, this fender really hugs the tire. Outstanding paint job by Hunter's Body Shop, Columbia, Tennessee. I want to give a shout out to Hunter's Auto Body in Columbia, Tennessee. Incredible job on the paint. It's a big part of what makes this bike so tight.